you're talking to somebody, between listening and talking, which one do you choose? If you want to find out a message from someone or the true intention of somebody's speech, it's better to be a good listener. So when Delai Lama said, when you talk, you're only repeating what you know. But when you listen, you will get to know more that you didn't know. So it is better to listen and learn something new instead of talking and you remain with only what you knew before. That means you learn nothing. It's a question of knowledge. It's like in communication skill. A good listener is always a good speaker. And a good speaker is a good listener. The moment you break one of them, you become a bad listener, you will not be a good speaker because you will speak out of context. You will speak to those who may not even want to listen to you because you will be misfiring what they want to hear or what they deserve to hear. So it is really better for you to listen